we will going to create a 3D cube using CSS. So as you can see on the screen that I have opened VS Code, and in the left hand side I have opened HTML page, okay, using live server. So in the first step I've created two files, namely index.html for HTML page, and the second one which is style.css, which is CSS for formatting the pages, okay. So first step would be we will contain a divisor container, uh, namely as parent, okay. So here in this division dot container, done. So I created container, parent container, okay. So inside this we will create one by one uh, the the faces of the cube, okay. So let create front, then create back, then create top, then again top, bottom, then create left, then create right. So let front to back 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, we have created 6 faces, okay. So in this way we are going to create our HTML content. Now move to the CSS. First of all, let's center all the elements so that it will be in the middle of, okay, display. So we will take display as flex, then the flex direction as column, okay, the flex direction as column, then align items in the center, okay. So we are done with the body. The body is formatted in the center. So now let me select the first HTML tag of container using CSS. So for class we are selecting container here. So now here we will give the height of 100 pixel, okay, and the width of 100 pixel. See here, on background color or red for showing, okay. So it is red, okay. So for now we will take it as white, okay. Then position will be relative, okay. Position will be relative. Then transform style, this parameter is important. Because of this we'll set the child's elements of the container tag in the same frame, okay. So this has been done, this has been done. And let me create a keyframe, keyframe. Let me give it cube. From here we will select transform, transform, rotate 3D, okay. Rotate 3D 0, from here 0 to transform, again rotate 3D, the x direction 1, in the y direction 1 and 0, okay. Again up to 36 360 degree, okay. In this way we're going to see it. Then in this section in the container we want this container to be moved. So here select cube, then 5, linear, infinite, okay. So in this way we have done it. So by using this keyframe we can animate our container tag, our container element, okay. So whatever inside this container element will be going to be synchronized with the container. So now select the front, okay. Let me select the front. Here we will select front, again 100 pixel, width again 100 pixel, and background color will be red, okay. So as you can see that the animation of cube has been applied on it and it is rotating here, so we can easily see it, okay. So this is done with the front, okay. Now okay, now let's move to the back. One by one we will do it. Back, here also height 100 pixel, width 100 pixel, and background color will be of aqua. So here you can see that it is working. Now the first task would be let move it. Okay, this is for back now, this is for back, so let me move it. Transform, translate 3D. Okay, so let me see that 50 pixel, again 50 pixel, the 50 pixel, and let's see that where it moves. As you can see that it has been translated at a certain degree. Okay, so so here it is. mm, Z should be 100 pixel. Okay, okay, Z is along 100 pixel. Now Y should be minus, and X should be 0. I think so. X should be 0, but should be 0, it should be 100. Okay, now you can see this. Let me margin top. Okay, margin top, let again give it 20 pixels, so it will be in the center. Okay, so as you can see that we are done with this. So let me give copy. Okay, so this is a parent element. Okay, this is a parent element container. Okay, and this one is the child element, and this is the second child element. Okay, so likewise in this way we will do with uh, all the remaining child elements. Okay, again copy this, paste it. Let's see, we are done with two tags. Okay, front, back, and now let's move to top. Let's move to top one. Okay, dot top. Here just change it, top, everything is same, just need to give blue. Okay, so as you can see that blue is coming next to the back element. Okay, so now let's again do it. So here y is minus 100 pixel, and x is, now we need to rotate it. Okay, now we need to rotate it. uh, let's try with x. Okay, 90 degree, 90 degree. Okay, it is doing that. 90 degree again, let's move it 50 pixel, see where it comes. Minus 50 pixel. Now again no, so it should be 0 pixel. It's okay right now, it's correct now. So y should be 0. Now y should be not 0, minus 50. Let's see, y should be minus 50, 100. It is more than that, 50 pixel. Let's see where it comes. So yeah, we have done it. So let's move it again further. Okay, got it. We need to move it here. Okay, no, it is moving. Okay, that's not good. Again let's take 150. Okay, so we are done with it. Okay, so we are now arrange our top element also. Now let's move for the bottom. Okay, so the next tag will be of bottom, so let's change it to the bottom and copy. Okay, let's see it. We don't want aqua, green. Okay, green, we want green. So as you can see that we having green also. Okay, so let's start with this. uh, mm, let's see where it lands. Okay, it's need to be 150. Again 200. Okay, it's moving up. 400. Let's see, 400. Okay, so we have done it. So after changing the y variable, after changing y index, y coordinate, you have got the uh, uh, bottom element to the upward. Okay, now we need to rotate it in that direction, I think so. 90 degree. Let's see. Okay, it's not. So rotate it to y direction. Minus 90 degree. Na? Hmm. So here you can see that we have done it, but minus 90 degree. Now minus 90 degree is correct actually. So we need to do. Okay, we have brought it on the top. Now need to manage the x coordinate. Okay, not this one, not likewise. 0 is here. Minus 50, I think so. No, minus 50 is also not working. Minus 100, it's not working as well. So need to manage y z also, I think so. Okay, 150 is going there. No, it's not working. 150 again. 100 again. 50. I think so. 50 is enough. Okay, 50 is done. We are done with the 50. Now let's move to the x direction. Okay, 50. Okay, okay. Let's to give 0. Okay, okay. So I brought the bottom element also on the top, on the bottom. So in this way we will do it. Okay, now let's move for the. Let's copy it. No, no, not this. This one. We will going to copy it. Child elements. So now the left and right is remaining. Okay, so we will do for the left. Hmm? Now move for the left. Let me first move, rotate it in the y direction. Okay, let's see. Okay, this has been done. Okay, so as you can see that we have rotated it successfully on the y direction. Now let's to manage y y में जा रहा है. Let's again see 150. No. So this is exactly okay. Now I need to change with the y coordinate. Okay, let's see what it brings us. 200. Actually, it is working. Okay, it's working. Huh? 200 again. Let's see 400. Okay, it's there actually. Okay. Now let's see what this brings. No, 50 is enough. Okay. Now let's move for the z direction. So in the z direction, okay, we need exactly this one. Huh? 50 degree. Okay, done. So let me change the color. Color violet. Okay. So you can see that we arrange the bottom also. We arrange the bottom also. So in this way we're going to do it. Okay. Now let's copy this one, and we are done with the left one. Now the part of right one. Okay. So as you can see that we have successfully created a right one also element. Here we just need to change the color. Uh, Gold. So I change the color. Now I change this. Okay. Now let's change X. Okay, it's working now. 100. Okay, it's working, but we don't want 100 directly. No? 100 is more than 50, maybe. Okay, 50 is perfect. 50 is perfect. So now we have brought the right element on the face of the cube on the right side. So let do it with the I think so X. Okay, it's correct. Correct, it's correct. So now select this 500. Let's see. Okay. So as you can see that we are done with our cube. Okay, the cube is rotating, and as we can see that everything is perfectly aligned to it. Okay. So again we will going to do one thing. Again we will going to add one thing here. Just add opacity 0.5. Okay, to the each and every element, each and every child element. So it will be look like the cube is transparent. Okay. For making the cube as transparent, we are giving opacity as 0.5. So in this way we will going to create, we have created a cube. So you can do error and trials, try and errors. So in this way we can do it. Okay. So in this way we have created our cube. This one is for animation. Okay, animation on the parent element. Okay, which is our container. Okay, container. So actually you know that the parent element, whatever properties the parent element inhabits having, so the child elements can inherit those properties and values. So as we have set the transform style property on the parent element as preserve 3D. So because of that the cube is taking place. So yeah, you can see that the cube is rotating. Also we can change its rotation. So let's give it again 0.5. Here you can see that we have changed the rotation of it as a or 0.5, 1.5 or 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. So for by 2 to unit we can change it. Okay. So in this way we can create a 3D cube using the CSS and HTML. So hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching the video.